Hey, Miss Nosebleed here, your English teacher. What can we learn today? Hi, if you haven't done it yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join me in this wonderful journey of English learning. Hi there, dear friends. Kumusta po? Miss Nosebleed here. Today we will talk about choosing between make or do. It can be hard to decide when to use make or do in English. These two words can be very confusing, but I'll share with you easy tips and some common collocations to help you. Are you guys ready? Let's not waste time and dive in. To start off, you use do when you're talking about a process of acting or performing something. For example, she did the calculations in 10 minutes. Next, you use do for actions, obligations, and repetitive tasks. For example, he always does his job very well. Another way to use do is when you're talking about work, jobs, or tasks. Note, they do not produce any physical object. For example, do your homework now. One other tip is to use do to replace a verb when the meaning is clear or obvious, more common in informal spoken English. For example, it's your turn to do the dishes. So instead of saying wash, you replace it with the verb do. The bad news is there are many fixed expressions or what we call collocations with the verb do. Unfortunately, they don't really follow any useful rules. So, wala tayong choice kundi i-memorize sila. Here are some examples. Do your best, do chores, do a course, do damage, do your duty, do exercise, do gardening, do harm, do ironing, do shopping. Do your nails, do a painting, do paperwork, do research, do a favor, do business, do a test, do cooking, do your hair, do wrong. There's more. Do the rest, do an assignment, do a service, do a project, do a crossword, do a burp or do a fart, do a dance, do well or do poorly, do your share, and do something. Now let's go to the verb make. We use make when we create or construct something. For example, I've made us some tea. So it's not I'll do us some tea. No, I've made us some tea. The other tip is when you want to emphasize more the product or outcome of an action. For example, I made 3 mistakes in writing. So you don't say I did 3 mistakes. That's wrong. So it should be I made 3 mistakes in writing. The other tip would be for producing, constructing, creating, or building something new. For example, she made a joke about her dog. Okay? Next, we use make before certain nouns about plans and decisions. For example, he made plans to travel next week. Another way to use make is with nouns about speaking and certain sounds. For example, can I make a quick call? You also use make usually with food, drink, and meals. So, for example, my mom made dinner for us tonight. So it's not did, okay? It's made. Now, like what I said about do, there are also collocations using make. And this means that there are no rules, but we just have to familiarize with the collocations. Remember, when we say collocations, it means they're together forever. For example, make an excuse, make friends, make plans, make an effort, make an offer, make money, make profit, make a mess, make a wish, make progress. Next, make a decision, make a choice, make a noise, make a comment, make a speech, make suggestion, make a change, make a complaint, make a connection, make a confession. Next one, make a face, make a fortune, make a demand, make a difference, make a discovery, make a living, make a list, make a point, make a prediction, make a promise. And finally, there's another set of words. Make a visit, make sure, make a remark, make an apology, make a payment, make a move, make a loss, make a journey, make a fire, and make an exception. Wow, that's a lot to take in, eh? So at this point, you might want to pause and rewind so you can remember the rules and the collocations. Otherwise, if you feel you're ready, let's practice together. All right, let's do number 1. How much money does a nurse? Is it make or do? Yes, that's right. Make. How much money does a nurse make? Number 2. Could you blank the laundry today? What do you think? That's right. Could you do the laundry today? Number 3. Her new business blank a huge profit last year. Now, look at the sentence. It's in the past. So you need to give me make or do in the past form. Okay? So her new business, very good, made a huge profit last year. Number 4, there's so much paperwork to, yes, do. I'm already tired. Number 5, Tom can't join us tonight. He's already, yes, made plans. Remember, it should be in the past because he has already. So actually, it's present perfect. He's already made plans. Good. So let's do 5 more. Okay. Number 6, Lisa blank very well in the chess competition. What do you think? Very good. Did very well, not made, okay? Did very well. Okay, number 7, I really want to make some progress on this project. Okay, sorry about the dogs barking. Number 8, 5 people. What do you think? That's right. Made speeches on my wedding. Number 9, can I a suggestion? Let's take a break. What do you think? Yes. Can I make a suggestion? Very good. Number 10, just call my secretary and make or do? Make an appointment. Yes. Okay, last 5. Number 11, she has a hard time friends because she's shy. What do you think? Yes. She has a hard time making friends. Okay? Number 12, 1 ice cream cone won't make or do? Very good. Do any harm on your diet. Number 13, I blank a great effort to study for my final exam. So what do you think? I made a great effort. Okay, good. 14, Marie spent a lot of time blank her hair for the party tonight. What do you think? Yes, Marie spent a lot of time doing her hair. Okay, number 15, finally, the client blank a complaint about her new product. Yes, the client made a complaint about a new product. Very good. If you got 15 out of 15, congratulations. If you made a few mistakes, don't worry. You can always pause right now and rewind and try the test again until you get perfect score. Okay? All right. Do you feel confident now in using make or do? Can you use them in your own sentences? Well, I invite you to practice using the expressions by writing your own sentences in the comments section. And I'll be sure to check it out and give you feedback. Remember, practice makes perfect. That's it. Short and sweet. You know what to do. Got any questions? I'll see what I can do. See you next time.